Okay, so it gives us the mass of our base runner, and it gives us the initial velocity of our base runner, so that's our v naught. It tells us the final velocity is going to be equal to 0. And they want to know how much mechanical energy is lost due to friction. Well, at the end, we don't have any energy because there's no velocity. So we need to figure out how much energy do we have at the beginning. So the original kinetic energy at the very, very beginning is equal to 1/2 the mass times the original velocity squared. So we're just going to plug in our numbers here. Our original kinetic energy is 1/2. My mass is 67.3, and my velocity is going to be 4.35, and we're going to square only the velocity. So my final answer for my kinetic energy is going to be equal to 636.7. And that's going to be our final answer. That's how much energy is lost.